Today we are going to do complement of a set. Now see, U is the universal set, that is the largest set in reference, and A is a subset of U, that is universal set. Then complement of A is the set of all elements of U which are not elements of A. It is denoted by A dash. So complement is denoted by A dash. Now how do we define it symbolically? A dash, that is A complement, is the set of all elements such that it belongs to the universal set but it does not belong to the set A. So in other way we can write it as A dash is equal to universal set minus elements of the set A. So if we see in the Venn diagram, see what does the rectangular box represent? The rectangular box represents the universal set. Alright, so this is the universal set and the circle represents the set A. So in circle we have all the elements contained in A. So what will be set A dash? So A complement will be the set of elements which are not in A. So if I shade this area of the universal set leaving the set A, so all this will represent A dash, that is the shaded portion will be A dash or A complement. Now we'll see an example. Suppose universal set has elements from 1 to 6 and set A has 2 elements 2, 3 and B has 3 elements 3, 4 and 5. So we have to find out A complement and B complement. So how do we define A complement? A complement is the set of all elements which are in universal set but not in A. So A has 2, 3. So apart from 2, 3, which elements are remaining in U? 1, 4, 5 and 6. So A dash will have 1, 4, 5 and 6 and B dash will have elements 1, 2 and 6. So where do we use the concept of complement? Complement is very useful. It is used to define the De Morgan's law, and De Morgan's laws are A union B dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash and A intersection B dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Now we'll do some properties of complement of sets. Now see, first law is complement law. Complement law says A union A dash is equal to universal set. Children, see, if we have this a rectangular box and this is A, so this will represent A dash, and if I combine all the elements of A and A dash, this will give me the universal set or no? Yes. So we will have all the elements combined of A and those elements which are not in A, they will whole combine together to form the universal set. Similarly, A intersection A dash. Now we know what is intersection. Intersection means common elements. So what is the common element between A and A dash? There is no common element and therefore A intersection A dash is 5. Similarly, second law is law of double complementation. That means the complement of A complement. That means all the elements which are not in A complement, they will be present in A. See, if this is my set and this is A, so this will be A complement. So which elements are not present in A complement? The elements of A. So the complement of A complement will give you A. Next is law of empty set. So law of empty set says complement of phi is equal to universal set. Right? Similarly, law of universal set says U complement is equal to phi because there will be no element which is not present in universal set. And then we have De Morgan's laws. So A union B dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash and A intersection B dash is equal to A dash union B dash. And how do we prove these? We can prove these by examples or by Venn diagrams. This we'll do in the next video.